Ministry of Works is the vital organization which plays a very significant role in developing the nation's infrastructure facilities and construction industry and providing professional services. The ministry is vested with tremendous corporate responsibility in ensuring success and excellence of the nation's public infrastructure and utilities development with the motto, "Towards the comfort of the nation." The Maintenance and Regulatory Department, Ministry of Works Malaysia, is responsible for the planning, implementation and monitoring of the privatization maintenance for all federal government buildings and federal roads in the Peninsula, Sabah, Sarawak and the Federal Territory of Labuan. The Road Maintenance Unit of this department ensures all concession companies provide the best and efficient services to users in terms of safety, comfort and cost-effectiveness. In addition, this unit also makes certain that all privatized maintenance projects are successfully implemented and federal roads nationwide are efficiently managed as well. The maintenance of federal roads in Peninsular Malaysia is carried out by appointed concession companies according to allocated zones. They are as follows: Syarikat Belati Wangsa Sendirian Berhad for the northern zone, comprising the states of Perak, Kedah, Penang and Perlis. Road Care Sendirian Berhad for both the central and eastern zones, comprising the states of Selangor and the Federal Territory of Kuala Lumpur in the central zone, as well as Pahang, Terengganu and Kelantan in the east coast. Syarikat Selia Senggara Selatan Sendirian Berhad for the southern zone, which include the states of Malacca, Negeri Sembilan and Johor. Whereas Sabah, Sarawak and the Federal Territory of Labuan are divided into 6 zones. That is, for Sabah, there are 2 zones, namely, the West Coast Zone is managed by Syarikat Lintasan Resources Sendirian Berhad. The East Coast Zone is managed by Syarikat Gamma Light Sendirian Berhad. For Sarawak, there are 3 zones, namely, Zone 1 is managed by Syarikat PPES Works Sarawak Sendirian Berhad. Zone 2A is managed by Syarikat HCM Engineering Sendirian Berhad. Zone 2B is managed by Syarikat Endaya Construction Sendirian Berhad. The Federal Territory of Labuan is managed by Syarikat Lintasan Resources Sendirian Berhad. Federal roads managed by the appointed concession companies are categorized into 4 types, namely, Federal Main Roads, Felda Roads, Industrial Roads, Access Road to Federal Institutions. Monitoring Procedures. Implementation of the road maintenance monitoring involves a certain scope of work as stipulated in the contract documents. There are 3 main scopes of work, namely routine works, scheduled works, and emergency works. Routine works involve various maintenance activities categorized as Category RO1, road pavements. Works include patching of potholes, cracks sealing, reinstating edge deterioration of backfilled trenches, treatment to stripping of aggregate, treatment for rutting, clearing vegetation on paved surfaces. Patching of potholes must be done within 24 hours. Category RO2, maintenance of road shoulders. Works include clearing of all vegetation within the road shoulder, patching of road shoulder with suitable materials, patching of potholes on the road shoulder, extension of the road shoulder and uneven pavements. Category RO3, grass cutting. Grass cutting will be carried out once a month between the 1st to the 15th day of each month with a maximum height of grass not exceeding 50 millimeters. If there are work delays by the concession companies exceeding the 15th day of that month, deduction from the payment schedule will be done. Category RO4, Maintenance of Road Furniture. Maintenance of road furniture involve cleaning of all directional road signages, lamp posts, traffic lights, road railings and distance signages. Category RO5, Maintenance of Bridges and Culverts. The concession companies are also responsible for the maintenance of bridges and culverts located across and around the roads concerned. This involves cleaning, repainting and clearing of grass or shrubs surrounding the bridge and also drainage. This scope of work must be done regularly, at least 4 times yearly for all protocol roads and twice yearly for primary and secondary roads. Category RO7, Maintenance of Drainage Systems. This maintenance work must be undertaken 4 times a year for protocol roads and twice a year for primary and secondary roads. The scope of work includes cleaning of all drains, water channels and its surrounding areas. Routine inspection. Routine inspection is undertaken as follows: twice weekly for protocol and primary roads, once a week for secondary roads and clearing of minor obstacles identified by the road inspector. Scheduled periodic works. There are 2 types, namely, work involving pavements, non-pavement works such as the installation of road signages, road markings and railings.
Selamat petang, Pelatih Wangsa. Talian kecemasan.
Emergency works. Emergency works is an important part of the road maintenance monitoring procedures. This task is undertaken in emergency situations such as landslides, floods, collapsed bridges, collapsed roads, and uprooted trees which obstruct the flow of traffic. The implementation of the Federal Road Maintenance Monitoring System is crucial in ensuring that all roads and its related infrastructure are in good condition for the safety and comfort of road users, in line with the Ministry of Works motto, "Towards the comfort of the nation."